Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please pardon my voice, I'm just getting over pneumonia. Been down for a few weeks here and just trying to get back, but I have been doing research and studying and I found a couple tools that I really liked. This is Ryobi Days and I wanted to show you this special purchase. Let's get to it right now. Okay, so I was doing my research, I was watching a bunch of videos, I found some really good channels on torque testing and stuff. And I came across this special buy from Ryobi. This is an 18 volt 2-tool combo. It has a 1/4 inch drive and it has a 3/8 inch drive extended ratchet. Now I have a regular Milwaukee ratchet that's not extended and I have been wanting an extended one. So this just gave me the opportunity to pick up two. So down here we have the 1/4 inch drive, has 40 foot-pounds of torque up to, and 260 RPMs. Very controllable, slow speed, high speed. And the 3/8 drive has up to 55 foot-pounds, and that was confirmed by one of the channels that I watched, and 230 RPM. It's got slim head, extended reach, and it has a 4-position rotating head, which I really like. So let's get a look at them right now. Now, one of the things that I really like on this 1/4 inch is you can get you have a really small head on top of it. So for very tight places, if you were going to get a snubby Phillips in there, look how much room you have to get in there and you don't have to twist your hands in a tight 1/4. So I really like that. Now there is even shorter combinations for getting into tight spots, which sometimes it's needed. Sometimes I even need to take the handle off of this one to get into a really tight spot. Now I'm not a working mechanic anymore, but I still have little projects here and there around the house. So this gun is massive. It is very long. It'll get into very tight spots. If you needed to go into a really extended reach area, you can get right in there. It has lights on the top and the bottom, so that when you rotate this head is rotatable. You just pull this collar up and turn it around. But I want to show you the speed on this. The speed, if I can get a focus, look how slow that goes. So that doesn't say how slow it goes on the box, but look how slow that goes. It is very handy and it is very fast. Now I buzzed down some fender bolts yesterday and I was really impressed. It is very strong, very torquey, and it really is a nice tool. Now the other tool is just as nice, 3/8 drive. Now we all know that there's certain things you need a bigger gun for, and this really puts out the torque. It puts out some up to 55 foot-pounds of torque, which is confirmed by another channel. And it is a very nice extended reach ratchet. So I'm really liking them. Haven't had a chance to really rip anything apart because I don't do that much anymore. But I just want to show you, we're going to go back to this here. And I'm just trying to knock out a quick little video because these are on sale. Not that I'm trying to sell you anything. I'm not sponsored by Ryobi. So all the years that I worked, I used this 3/8 Milwaukee. This, you can tell, has been well used. It really has done the job and it's still doing the job. But I had to use a 1/4 inch drive extension because I didn't want to buy a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. So I just put a adapter on there to 1/4 inch drive. But you can see that this other one gets you in shorter. By the time you put that socket on there, you're going to be extended out even further. So you can get into a tighter spot with this Ryobi. And I always call it Ryobi, but I guess everybody I hear is saying Ryobi. So this kit on sale, $199 for both of them, no batteries. Let's get a look at them now. Now I had to inventory my batteries to see what I had. So I have the 3 amp and I have this little one. Now the little one is handier. It really is. The 3 amp is kind of big. And then I have some 4 amps. So I'm already into the system, and that's the key to the whole thing. If you already have batteries, then you're already in the system. It's easy to pick up a couple more tools that use the same batteries that your system uses. So this is the Ryobi 3/8. This is the Ryobi 1/4 inch. They have rotating heads. You just pull this call it up and turn it to different desired positions so that the battery doesn't get in the way. And it is a very handy little kit. So one more look at it. This is an 18 volt ONE HP high performance advanced technology, brushless technology, power, runtime, and durability. Extended special buy. $199 and you get both. Now I believe it's $169 for just one. So for a few dollars more, you can get both. Now you may not need it. It's only, once in a while for those specialty jobs, but they sure come in handy when you have the tools. Nothing like having the right tools for the job. Makes things go easy. Of course, you can do it all by hand, but there are some areas where you can't get your hand in there and you can't turn your hand. That's where the extended reach comes in, down on those like lower radiators when you want to get down to a fan shroud that's down below a radiator hose, something like that. This gets into those spots and gives you access, speed, and agility. Please hit like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.